Gusto mo bang magtrabaho abroad ngayong bagong taon? Narito ang 5 sa pinaka-the best countries to work for ngayong 2026. Pang-5, New Zealand. Excellent quality of life and demand for IT, healthcare, skilled trades, friendly immigration routes for OFWs for long-term stay. Pang-4, Singapore. Strong job market in service, tech, healthcare, engineering. Good salaries, proximity to the Philippines, high demand for foreign professionals. Pangatlo, Canada. High salaries for skilled workers, IT, healthcare, engineering. Strong pathways for permanent residency, great work benefits, and multicultural environment. Pangalawa, Saudi Arabia. Of course, most OFWs go here, especially for construction, healthcare, domestic work, tax-free incomes, and lots of job openings currently. And of course, the #1 best country to work for ngayong bagong taon ay walang iba kundi ang the United Arab Emirates or UAE. Why it's great? No income tax, bigger take home, huge demand across construction, hospitality, healthcare, service jobs, long-standing popular destination for OFWs.